we got a heat craft walk-in cooler. These two disconnects were cold. This disconnect was off. Fan evaporator was off. Said it was iced out. Maintenance man left it off. No, baby. In the notes it says February of last year that technician added, I think it was 15 pounds, so he left his tank. We'll take that to the scrap yard for him. Here's what it is. Alright, so I got this box open. It goes back to the electrical panel, and there's a short somewhere in between there. So what I did was I robbed one of the legs off of the condenser thermostat there, and Action Jackson, baby, Action Jackson. So I just gotta plug this fan back in. That closed up, I'm gonna head outside, flip the breaker back, and I'm gonna come in and turn the thermostat down. Before I go out, I'm gonna push all them wires and stuff, so I'm not doing all that live. But give you a closer look here. So these are the wires that's got the short. So I just took and hooked up to the ground going out to the condenser, and I hooked up to one side of the 240 out there, so that gives me 120 volts. So I'll put this all in the box, and I ain't got that closed up. Got the stat set back at 38. I'm on a time crunch. It's about 10:30. I got a job a half hour away to do an install, so I'm being rushed here. I'm gonna have to charge this system up still, but this will get her running. So right, fans are running now, so that's one step. Look at this plumbing, dude. They just used some flipping flex tape. Ouch. Rush out of here. Get him working. Yes, sir. All right, we are feeding her some juju.